another one. Another one! Crap. Another one? Oh, God. What is it now?
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland. Tidal Potomac from Key
Special
West to
marine
Indian Head,
warning!
Maryland, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:29 p.m., a gust front was located over Gunston Hall, moving northeast at 10 knots. Thunderstorms are likely to develop over the next hour, with nearly stationary storm motion. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater.
Whoa.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Leesylvania State Park, Smallwood State Park, National Harbor, Fort Washington, Tidal Basin, Reagan National Airport, Gunston Hall, Mason Neck State Park, Woodrow Wilson Bridge, Indian Head, Key Bridge, Occoquan Bay, Fort Hunt, and Alexandria. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
Oh, my God.
A statement from the National